Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best digital battery tester. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. In a world where technology continues to evolve, having reliable tools for maintaining our gadgets is essential. The Aneng BT189 digital battery tester is one such tool designed to make battery testing easy and efficient. We delve into its key features, along with the pros and cons to help you decide if this device is the right choice for you. Product features. Digital display battery level detector. The BT189 comes equipped with a high-definition LCD digital display that provides clear and accurate readings of battery levels. No power supply required. This tester is ready to use right out of the box, eliminating the need for an external power source. This feature enhances its portability and convenience. Supports various battery types. The device can measure a wide range of battery styles, making it versatile for different applications. Multi-purpose testing. It serves multiple functions, allowing users to perform battery level tests quickly, saving time and reducing waste. Compact design. The Aneng BT189 is ultra small and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use anywhere, whether at home or on the go. Durable construction. Made from ABS insulating plastic, the tester is designed to be lighter and offers excellent insulation properties. Pros. Convenience. The lack of a required power supply means you can test batteries anytime, anywhere without worrying about finding a power source. Ease of use. The device is straightforward to operate, making it suitable for users of all skill levels. Clear display. The high-definition LCD screen ensures that readings are easy to see, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Versatility. The ability to test various battery styles makes this a one-stop solution for battery maintenance. Portability. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to store in a toolbox or carry in a bag, ensuring you always have it on hand. Cons. Limited battery type compatibility. While the tester supports various batteries, there may be some less common types that it cannot measure. Durability concerns. Although made from ABS plastic, the tester may be more prone to damage compared to metal testers, especially if dropped. No advanced features. The device is designed for simplicity, which may mean it lacks advanced features found in more sophisticated battery testers. Final thoughts. The Aneng BT189 digital battery tester stands out as a reliable and convenient tool for anyone looking to keep track of their battery levels. Its ease of use, portability, and lack of power requirements make it an excellent choice for both casual users and professionals. However, potential buyers should consider their specific needs, particularly in relation to the types of batteries they use, to ensure this tester will meet their expectations. Overall, the BT189 offers a practical solution for quick and efficient battery testing, making it a worthy addition to your toolkit. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo